Hit it on a second jerk. A rainbow. I keep getting rainbows on this thing all the time. There we go. Yeah, at the river again, because it's the only good place for me right now. Fishing plugs and spoons and spinners. See if we get anything more. There you go. Nice rainbow. On the plug. Usually browns hit the plugs, but geez. Rainbow. I'm getting the nice rainbows on the plug. See if we get any more fish. Well, about time I got one on the fly. I had a lot of hits today. This guy's fighting hard for his size. Jesus. That was nice. Finally. There we go on the fly. This is a nice one here. He's a nice brown. This is a really nice fish, guys. If I can get him in. This fish is not giving up. It's barely hooked, too. Yes! He's not even huge, but he's nice. That was an 8-minute fight. Crazy. Wow. All right, gonna release him now. That fish fought way too. See the current? The undercurrent in this place is really strong. It's a nice brown though. Look at that thing. Let's get him back in. He's still a really nice fish though. And there he goes. All right, nice. On the fly. Well guys, another basically decent day on the river today. A little slower than the other day, but just, I can't believe how hard that fish fought. I mean, for his size, that trout was probably like a 17-inch trout. But just hitting, just staying in that undercurrent, and just a strong, healthy fish. So keep trying here a little bit more and see if we get any more. There we go. Wow. Brown. Man, this is a little fat bastard. Come back in. Fly's getting me there. Okay. So it seems like the fish like the fly in the plug today. He's going nuts. He's hooked on his head. Oh my god. That's a nice brown. Look at that, guys. Nice one on the plug. That's a nice brown right there. Get back in. You just jumping like at me like a freaking tarpon. Crazy. So you get any more? Now I'm getting up there. Come on, little buddy. Yep. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one there. Look at that. Nice fat brown. Let's get him in. Nice. Hit it on the paws, this fish. Whoa. Is he snagged? I wonder if he's snagged. Or he's just fighting this hard. Oh, I think a hook came out. It's a brown. He's not snagged. He's just fighting that hard. I thought this fish was easily snagged. No. Well, he snagged a little bit. Another brown on the plug. Oh, yeah, it was a snag. Yeah, a little bit. These fish snag themselves a lot on the plug. All right, another nice brown. Let's get him back in. Nice. There you go, another brown. Is it brown? He's just brown? Yeah, brown. A little smaller one. Come here. There we go. Yeah, I like this thing in here. Moved to a different hole, using a different lure. Now I'm smacking him. Well, catching him pretty decent. He got me all tangled up. All right, time to get this guy unhooked. Man, he is. Oof. Hey, they're hitting it on the paws. Hopefully this guy's not as hooked as bad as that one. I got him unhooked, guys. This guy thumped it though. It's a rainbow. There's like a lamprey mark on him. I don't know lampreys around here. You should see there's like a weird mark on him. It's like a scratch. Like someone took a chunk. Look at a lamprey mark. But ain't no lampreys around here. Thank God. Beautiful rainbow trout. Nice. They thumped it. A lot of these plugs, guys, work them upriver below you. Rainbow again. Another rainbow. 2 rainbows. There you go. Nice rainbow. Get them back in. Oh, they're nice. Yep. That's a brown. It's fighting like a brown. He looked like a rainbow. And they fight good in this river. There we go, guys. Another nice brown. Another.
That's a nice one.
Yeah. Probably about 45 inches. See, guys, get him on hooked. He is hooked really good. Really good. Been hitting it on the pause, which is funny. Usually I get them on the move. And a second jerk. And that's it. Alright, let's get him on hooked and release. This fish got me all tangled, so I'm going to get him released. Nice fish. Just like that. Fell right out. There we go. Get him in. Nice fish. Nice. I don't think this one's that big. Got now one. Whoa. Hey, I saw this guy. This guy's not that big. I just... Oh my god. Freaking... Yeah, jumping in the net and a lure hit the net. That's crazy. What a little freaking thing hit that. Crazy. Crazy. Alright, now I need to get my hook out of this thing. Wow. That will never happen again. Damn. Man, that thing hit it hard. Like, I mean, this thing, he's not that big, but what a normal sized trout, but that thing thumped it. Must have gave it all its might. That's a nice brown, actually. It's just short but fat. This thing hit like a freight train. This little guy, this guy's so cool looking though. He'll get back in. Nice. That was me. That's I have a fish on. Oh wait, one jumped in front of you? There we go, guys. No, another nice brown. Cool colors on them though. That's just the thing about these brown trout. Some of them could be small, but yeah, cool colors on them though. Yeah, he hit the second hook in. Well, I think I have to do some surgery. It's not hooked in the gills or anything. It's just, all right. I need to get the flyers. Nice trout, guys. Nice trout. This is a nice fish here. It's a nice rainbow. Ooh. Oh yeah. Look at this thing, Dad. That's a heavy fish. Wow. Let's go.
That's a trout.
This thing came right in. What a nice fish, guys. Wow. He thought, I just felt weight. I thought I was stuck on a rock at first. Let's go. Nice, nice, nice. Might be one of the last fish of the day too, so. He didn't even fight that hard. Yeah. Hooks out too. This is bigger than the brown guys I caught. Man, he didn't really fight that hard though. It's a fat fish, though. Probably like a 3-pounder, but just... I don't think he knew he was hooked or something. All right. Nice, nice.
I'll take a picture of that someday.
Yeah. All I felt was weight. GoPro. All right. Biggest trout of the day. That thing. That's a beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Nice one on the plug. Going to different holes, fishing. Beautiful fish there. Let's get him in. Nice. Awesome. Catch and release. Awesome. All right, guys, back home now. What a really good day it was. Again, start off slow like the other day. I didn't think I was gonna make a video like the other day, but just a really good day of fishing. Caught a really nice brown. That didn't make sense at all how that fish fought that hard for that size. I mean, he was just in that current. He wouldn't move at all. And I didn't want to keep moving the rod tip to loosen that hook, because that happens a lot with trout. I lost a lot of trout actually switching the rod and it popping out. So I was afraid of that. And I didn't know how good I had him hooked. So yeah, then beginning the fly worked really well at the one spot. Next spot, the plug. The plug absolutely killed him. I caught that really nice rainbow to top the day off, but just a really good day with the plug and the fly. I actually missed a lot of fish with the fly too, so that's how it is early season too with the fly. I don't catch a ton on the fly. I missed quite a bit on the fly, but I did catch a couple fish on the fly. But the plug is what did it. The plug is what really did it. That's what really saved the day, and it was a great day of the plug. The rod I was using with the plug was a 7-foot medium light. Actually, Avid X. They don't make that rod anymore, St.Croix. I missed that rod. Really great rod. It's all-purpose rod, but again, great day, really good fish, nice brown, really nice rainbow at the end of the day. But yeah, just early season trout fishing, going to spot to spot. Like I said, the beginning of the spot, I used to plug there at the spot in the beginning. Not really anything. The other spot, a lot of trout. So it's like, it's a hit or miss with these spots. So anyways, guys, great day. And hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Later, guys.